Yes, the Prince of Wales is the best thing to start with. So does it climb over the reserve? I don't know. Let's try it. Some issues there. You have to lock the disc and then no problem at all. Thank you, Harry. Hello guys and welcome. So today I want to show you my new Mercedes. It comes from TRAXXAS, is the model TRX6 and it's the all new 2025 version. It comes clipless. So first of all I will show you the box. You see it's a very nice art design here and the TRX6 looks very good here in the desert. You notice this battery and charger not included. We will come to that later. So let's check this side of the box. Here you see just the front of the mighty Merc, and there you have the two colorways of now the clipless version. It comes in gray, what I choose, and you have also the red one. It's fully licensed from Mercedes. Very nice looking box here. So let's check the top. What does the box say? Is a clipless version. You see here with the chassis, the TQ transmitter, as and the other models. You have the 3S power system, so you can run it 2S and 3S. The waterproof receiver box. You have a high-low transmission, that means 2 speeds. And then you have the locking differentials, and they eliminated the torque twist. This one comes with a fully equipped light system. What else do the box say? Here's a bit. That's the charger and batteries you need. So battery and charger not included means that I had to buy the battery pack, and I bought some 2S LiPo 5900 milliampere, and I also bought an 3S kit. So in this kit we have two 3S LiPos. And you have your charger. Here you can dual charge on this one, even if you have different batteries, different volts. I can charge my 2S and my 3S battery at once here. Very nice feature. Why I have bought this one? Because I don't like battery connectors, and I don't like to lose on an 800 euro vehicle the warranty. You cut the wires on the ESC. Unboxing. So here you have the TQ transmitter, very nice design. This foam can still steer with one thumb. We have a manual. It's very good that you have a manual and some stickers, spare keys, the pack, and of course the car. Very nice protection film here around. So I will just get the film off. Get off! Feels very good. New RCCARs. Whoa, what an absolute beauty. This truck looks absolutely amazing. So let's see the car around. It Absolutely no scratch at all. Very good job there, TRAXXAS. Behind. Very nice looking car. And the best thing is there are no clips anymore. So to get the car off, you just have to put your fingers here and there, and it pops off. Here inside you see now they come as the Bronco and the other clipless systems. You have one in front and one on the back side. Yeah, all the cables, it's the light system from TRAXXAS, this pre-installed. Let's take a look at the chassis. You have your big 550 brushed motor, your TRAXXAS battery connector, then you have there your ESC 2 and 3S, your shift servo for the 2 speeds, there is your receiver box fully waterproofed, and you have there your 2 differential servos. This one is for the front, this one is for the rear, and the rest is very clean. You can see the rear mounts for the clipless body system. Yes, it on front, and what it means, you just have to push here on these holes to remove the body. It's very nice, but when you go into the mud, your fingers also will be full of mud. There you have your spots for the rock lights. Here is the light system where it connects, and then let's turn it around. Now you see front axle, and here is the bridge. So actually on this model, when you lock your rear differential, it locks both. I think also the shocks are higher than on the TRX4 models, but I have to measure that. It's a chassis mounted servo. This one is 9 kilograms. It's not enough for such a big car. I don't know why they don't come with bigger servos, but that is the thing I will change straight. Let's go. We start the transmitter. It's on, and then we start the car. There's 2S LiPo in here, and it seems to be connected. The servo, not the quickest, not the strongest. Here you see the 2-speed servo working. Very nice, everything works. See if the locking diffs does work. Let's start the rear. Now both are locked. And there you have, with the body back on, the lighting system. The front lights here with this position lights. I think in Germany these are turning signals. Also here we have a turning signal. It has to be the American version. In America you have these position lights there. Nice roof LED, not too bright, just like it should. And the rear, the closing, very good. I don't know if there are any. No, they're just once on, they are on, and no other lights, no turning lights. Like, I love it. Very nice looking car. I am so happy with this one. I think I have to test it if it can crawl. So let's take the stuff I can pick up here around and then make a small parkour. Yes, the Prince of Wales is the best thing to start with. So does it climb over the reserve? I don't know, let's try it. Some issues there. I have to lock the disc and then no problem at all. Thank you, Harry. Let's try some wood. Locking the disc. Slow and steady. No problem at all for this mighty Mercedes. And we are over it. So this was my little demonstration of the TRX6 clipless version. I hope you guys enjoyed my small video. I will do another run outside, but I'm still waiting for some parts to arrive. I will mount the chassis protection before I go out with the rocks. If you don't want to miss the videos that are coming with my TRX6, please make sure to subscribe and follow. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.